Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Attorney Shaparali, and we are going to talk a little bit about some of the news that is coming out on immigration and things that are happening pretty much under our eyes. And putting it in simple terms, states are trying to block a lot of things, especially states which are anti-immigration and quote unquote racist and I'm going to kind of go over three things that I've seen today, which is interesting. And one of them I have already mentioned before. If you Governor Mike Pence filed a lawsuit to block refugees from entering his state, citing a lot of no evident things as usual, a bunch of nonsense. And luckily, a court refused to buy into that and even got upset, calling it discrimination. And we're very happy that the Seventh Circuit Court actually saw into this discrimination practice. And note that this person is trying to run for vice president. It's kind of a double whammy with Trump racist and now Mike Pence trying to be following the path. It's really hard, and luckily the Seventh Circuit Court blocked this initiative, and I'm very proud of that. Number two now, which is kind of interesting, I saw this article. Louisiana is not letting immigrants get married. As you know, most states allow people to get married even if they're undocumented. California, for example, you can just go to the county and then pretty much get a marriage license without proving that you're legal in the United States. But unfortunately, it seems Louisiana thought better, basically blocking people's licenses of marriage to people who even have some kind of documentation here, but who are just immigrants, and that's really another sort of discrimination going on pretty much under the states. Now, one news which is amazing, which most people don't know, another news that came today, it's a lot of people are anti-immigrants, but all the 2016 American Nobel laureates are immigrants. So all those people who are anti-immigration and writing a lot of things against immigrants, more and more the brains are coming from immigrants. So it's time to set the record right and put people into perspective what is happening to America. America has a lot of potential. It is a good country as long as it welcomes and treats people well. At the same time, I'm making this video on Columbus Day, and I wanted to remind people that after Christopher Columbus came here, actually it was not a very peaceful way, and it ended up by creating a genocide for years of the American natives. So today, the same people are trying to block other people, maybe because they fear that the same is happening to them, the same will happen to them, but that's not the truth. The truth is, people are coming here peacefully, and there is a good immigration legal system, and we hope that people will realize that. Especially when you hear some candidates talking about Syrian immigrants are going to be a danger to this country. If you look at Europe, they have taken more than 2-3 million of Syrian immigrants, while United States barely took 10,000. And all the lies and all the fear mongers are writing things that do not really cannot really be backed by facts. And one of them, of course, with Trump, everybody knows everything comes pretty much is a lie. But with Mike Pence, kind of adding to that is kind of scary. So I just wanted to bring this to the attention of the people, and to, especially congratulate all the Nobel laureates, and we wish you best of luck. And everything I'm telling you today is my opinion. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. And I will put a link of all the articles in the video.